What are you guys doing?
Yeah, probably cookies and give me a toy.
Okay.
Dad, I've never seen this. Yeah, I think it's a tiny toy.
This is like
No. Wait, so it's cancer cookies? That's crazy. Battle ones, like they're like tiny, they're like $5. Wait. Dad, no. Sorry. What? I'm coming out Bobby. This is Bobby.
All right, what'd you guys end up getting?
I ended up getting.
All right, what do you want to do now?
Puppies.
I want to go eat.
I don't think so.
Is that a turtle?
I don't see a turtle.
I saw a turtle going. I see one. I see one. That's a real.
What do you see?
Or that is dead one.
You see the turtle on the rock?
Yeah, he's this boy.
What?
Yeah, he was tiny. There's a baby fish. Look, there's a baby fish down there. Oh my gosh.
One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. One, two, three, four, five. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Someone inside, you're so lazy! Wait a second, that's my package! Just the most amazingest thing ever.
Well, I have nothing else to do.
Check this out, bam! Think so.
Thanks, even though it puts yours to shame.
Oh yeah, you think so?
Playing Fortnite in real life to prove who's the better team.
That silly game is gone to you.
Alright, we need 2 bins right over there. This one and that one. Alright, here they are. We need there in my side over here.
Okay.
I'm gonna hide all your blasters on your side. Yep. Then the other one out this way.
We should have water guns outside.
That's a good idea. Water guns only outside. Alright, we'll start hiding everything.
Get safe. That's all.
Yeah. How about you start on your side of the house and I start on my side of the house and we'll go from there.
Get set. Ooh.
Oh, Coley, I know you're inside. No, I found 2.
We need to put her done.
I'm gonna run outside and get my darts.
I heard that.
Aha!
Bad idea.
Doesn't look good. Aha!
Step away from the bed. There's stuff back there.
Just give up.
Uh-oh.
I win! Well, I got it first, obviously. I'm so much better.
No, that's a lie.
Are you sure about that? I'm gonna give you the count of 3 to say I won. Yeah, I know, but it was really fun though, right? Hey guys, this week we got these because we only have limited supply.
This is crazy madness.
Comment this week comes from
And that's if you guys go. Picture this week comes from
Everett. Dude, you're a gold. Like our Facebook page and our Instagram page. Like and subscribe, and we're out of here. Your shirt, under your shirt.
Oh, you mean my armor?
Sort of, but not really. You look like a turtle.
Oh my god, it looks like it's comfortable.
All right, let's get something else. Right, you ready?
I guess so. I can feel anything.
1, 2.
Boys!
Boys, what are you?
So, Mom, your dad and I are going to be leaving in a few minutes, so you're going to be home for a little bit.
Hey, Coley, do you think your armor can block a sword?
That's pretty cool armor. Does it work?
No, it doesn't, and we're not doing that anymore.
No trouble.
Mom, please, let's do all this, please.
I don't know. I just have a really bad feeling about this
Well, you want to go like spy on him?
idea.
This isn't about trust. It's about what we have to sneak up on them. They've snuck up on us so many times.
We leave for 5 minutes and there's a giant mess. What in the world?
Paul,
What is this? Where are those boys? Oh!
What's that? That was pretty good, boys. How'd you guys know I was sneaking up on you?
This way, go!
I can't believe they don't trust us home alone.
Yeah, what's up with that? We need a team.
Come over here. What do we have in here?
We got a tennis ball launcher.
Hurry up, set it up.
Wait, Ethan.
What? Oh, boys, they're coming. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy. And that's it.
Yeah, next time be way more sneaky.
Those boys are in so much trouble.
Hey guys, comment this week comes from Sean Evans.
To find us.
Thanks for your comment, Sean.
Figure out this week comes from
Colton! That's where a around here.
Give us a thumbs up.
And check out our Instagram page